Are you wondering how to check if your iPhone is refurbished or original? Yes, there is a way to identify this using the model number or serial number. Apple marks refurbished devices with specific codes in the model number or serial number, which can help you identify if your iPhone is refurbished or original. Here's how you can check. Solution 1. Check the model number for refurbished devices. Find the model number. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, tap About. Look at the second model number. Here, take a close look at first letter of the model. Look for the model number. It should start with M, F, P, or N. Try understanding the model prefix. If this starts with M, this indicates a new factory-sealed iPhone. If this starts with F, this indicates a refurbished iPhone. If your model number starts with F, it means your iPhone is certified refurbished device. If this starts with P, this is typically for a personalized iPhone with custom engraving. If this starts with N, this indicates an iPhone replacement. This device was sent as a replacement for a faulty unit under warranty. If the iPhone was refurbished by Apple, the coverage page will often indicate that the device has been refurbished. By following these methods, you can easily check whether your iPhone is refurbished. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.